When you live in an urban area, you get so accustomed to traffic cones that you hardly even see them anymore. But have you ever wondered what goes into a traffic cone? I mean, really wondered? I mean, I guess I haven't really wondered until now. But what goes into traffic cone design? How many manufacturers are there? Is it a competitive market? Are there standards you need to follow? A traffic cone is an important safety device. So I asked Robert to look into the government standards on traffic cones. Let's see what he's up to.
Hey, Tori, I started looking at those design standards like you asked.
Cool, so what's the skinny?
Oh, well, first of all, did you know that there are two standard designs, right? The first is for nighttime and or speeds that are over 40 miles per hour. The other is for daytime and speeds that are 40 miles per hour or less.
Huh, I did not know that, Robert. So which one is this one?
This one is a low-speed daytime cone. The standards say it has to be at least 18 inches high and can be orange, red, orange, or yellow.
Interesting. So anything else?
Yeah, it has to be made of a material that won't damage a car on impact, but has to be resistant to being blown over by the wind or oncoming traffic.
It's surprising how many rules there are, right? So let's look at the choices the designer made on this particular cone.
Okay, well, this one is made of orange rubber and is hollow.
And it weighs approximately 3 pounds.
Yeah, so it shouldn't damage a car on impact.
And the height is 18 inches, so it's tall enough.
It's also wider at the bottom for stability.
Huh. Now, I wonder if the surface area affects it.
What do you mean?
Well, if it's too thin, you're gonna have a lack of visibility.
Well, let's check the surface area on this cone.
Okay, well, the diameter of the base of the cone is 8 inches. We already know the height is 18 inches.
And, you know, it doesn't come to an exact point, but
Right.
we can approximate the surface area.
Okay.
So the slant height is about 18.44 inches.
Okay, so help me out here. It's slant height times pi times radius. And that equals about 232. So the surface area is about 232 square inches.
So if we wanted to test for the best design, we'd have to test several cones in a wind tunnel and compare their stability.
But remember, the more rubber it is, the more likely it is to damage a vehicle, as well as be more expensive for the manufacturer.
Unless we made the walls thinner, but then it might be too flimsy and unstable.
It's so interesting to see how much design goes into everyday objects.
But when the rubber hits the road, you hope the designer did.
Good one.
We just have to stay within the cone of safety.
Okay, I think you've stretched it a little. Orange you.
Yellow.
Oh, yellow.